And today I will explain to you how to go online to our website and create an account and take a course. You click to sign up in the isosec.com, then it comes the place to put your email. You put the username. In username, if your name is John Smith, write with capital letters John Smith. Also choose a safe password, and it gives you it explains to you what exactly it should have, at least one capital letter, and so on. And then you click to register, to sign up. So as soon as this it's over, um, it will go an email to your email account, and you will, as you see now, it will come the email, login verification required. Click to your email. This Fogianos group sticker is in order to hide some stuff like my IP and so on, nothing important, just say so. Then when you verify immediately, you put your email and your password, and you will again, that's it actually. You just created an account and you are inside in the platform. I don't think it was difficult. It's something very easy to do. Preferably use a computer. Now you see that is your name, and from there you can log out. So now you click to courses, and or you can go to see, let's see our points. Because we registered an account, we just saved, we won 50 points for the registration. We will explain later about the points. With points you can have lots of benefits. So then you click to enroll courses and you see nothing. In order to have something there, you have to pay for a course, or you have to pay in the platform or to our local representative. And then when you make your account, you inform us you make your account, and we add to your account the course that you paid for. Then you click and start the course. You can see in this course it is a video, and below is the document, the support document of the course, the manual, let's say, are things mainly you will hear about, and this will be accessible for you always. Then you click it, you start the video, you can listen the entire video. Okay, this video is 4 hours and 40 minutes because it's 2 days actually, first and second day, and you can hear it in parts, no problem, not necessary to finish it in one day. So when you finish, you have to go to the bottom and click to the finish and go to the next day, and then you get the quiz. You click, sorry again for the Forgano sticker, because it's not good to give our questions and answers to the public. This is just a sample to understand how things goes. So, and is again the video. Here instead the video we have only how to say, a PowerPoint, but you have the voice also of the instructor. Of the facilitator, and we proceed. Below it's also some of the material. Then it comes another quiz. On purpose I didn't answer questions in order to show you that even if you don't answer everything, as long you watch all videos and all questions and you finish, you get your certificate. It's so easy and so fast. Now if you face challenges, and then you have the course completed, If you face challenges, you have to contact us. It's not a problem. We can help you all the way. Now, if you go again to your profile, and if you click to settings, you can add your name if you didn't have it already there, and if you wish, you can change your password there. And messages, you don't have any messages because it's also a social platform. We will explain about it in another video. And we have memberships, we have wish list. If you wish to take some courses, you can put them there and you will be shown. And now, instead of 50, you have the 205, as you can see, points. So, and you have in enrolled quizzes, you can see the quizzes and how much you passed. Okay, the second is passed with only 40% because it wasn't gradable. That's why it passed, as long you try. The last one, it was gradable, and so on. So you can see 205 points now. So this means that with these points, when a specific amount is collected, you can exchange it with our support. You can exchange it with courses, with other materials. For example, you can get a badge that you need to pay for it, or other things. Now, the amount of points will be appointed later. At any time, you can click again in download, and immediately your certificate will come again. But the name is always the first name we put. You see there. In order this to change, you have to contact us. Okay? In order to change and put your entire name. If by mistake you put only John instead of John Smith, as I said, you can go to your profile. You can write first and last name, preferably with capital letters both, and then save changes. And then you can tell us to help your certificate to come to the details you posted. Because even if you click now to your certificate, you will see, unfortunately, is the previous name still there? Even if you changed it, is because this course was granted to the other name. In order this to change, we have to do it. And then, generally speaking, this is it. Let's say now you try to log in again, and you put your account, your password, your username. You click the login that you can find in the portal, and it shows you wrong password. But you know this is a correct password. Therefore, you click also to the eye, and you see it's a correct password to use. Why it gives you this? This is a glitch. This is a technical problem. It's a bug as we call it in our language, but we can resolve it. Instead to click to login button, you write isosec/wp login, the minus symbol login.php, and enter, and then you can put username and password in a deeper level. Okay, so we overtake the glitch, we overtake the problem, and you are in. Because this is the issue. The issue is not to say why things happen until these problems is fixed. Are technical issues, no problem, minor. It's not anything important, anything serious, as long as you know how to do it. And you can go in again, and you are normally to your account. So this is it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we will be together soon. Thank you.